define women power in this country, and right now in all girls college I am slightly... Tell us, you know, all these girls feel that somewhere they relate to Payal. उनके अंदर एक पायल है, तो उसके ऊपर आप कुछ कहेंगे?
इसको डिस्काउंट मत करो।
No, I've been standing like this.
Yeah, I remember I was a hostler, so we won't get to see a guy for like 6 months, and when they're inter-school competitions, and one guy comes for a painting competition, hostlers will talk like, there is a guy there. So I know that feeling. Did you, like a dinosaur, did you see a boy?
So, are you sure maybe it's a girl with short hair? You saw from close or not?
No, we weren't bothered. The appearance only made us feel like we saw a boy. So, but we shot the film here, so I think the film it belongs to the college as well. And yeah, it's really nice to be here.
Very nice. You know, interestingly, ये फिल्म बहुत ही ज़्यादा quirky है. आप दोनों से सवाल पूछूंगा पहले आपसे कंगना. बहुत ज़्यादा quirky है फिल्म. There's a lot of quirks, there's modern day relationships. Fun लग रहा है. लेकिन is there something else also? इसमें कुछ added होगा जो देखने मिलेगा?
The film is a very beautiful love story, and it's very intense. And I think youngsters these days, somewhere I think we sort of underestimate them. But I think they want very deep love stories like Titanic, Notebook, and stories that carry that weight. I'm not talking about the scale of the film, I'm talking about the depth of the relationship and intensity. So this is a film which might or might not end up like a tragedy. I don't want to ruin the experience for you all, but know that you would need a lot of tissues because it will make you cry for sure.
Imran, yaar, I hate love stories, but still.
Thanks, so sorry.
But honestly, tell me, what more can we see? Like you know, everybody thinks of you as this chocolate boy. This, you know, can you believe Imran is married? Sorry for bringing that up. We always had this conversation as to how he looks 20, between 20 and 25, but he's only 26. But coming back to the point, tell me, is there any कुछ देखने को मिलने वाला है something?
Yeah, you know, I think Kangana has actually explained it to you guys absolutely perfectly. Generally, when and I don't mean just in Hindi films. Generally, when people make romantic films, there's a lightness to it. There's not a lot of depth to the emotion, to the love story, and I often find that that's what's missing. Katti Batti is a bigger relationship story. It talks about love at a bigger scale. It talks about what it takes for your love to survive in the long run, what it takes for love to endure. That's what really attracted me to the script, and I really hope that's what you guys will enjoy. She's right, huh? The second half, you have no deep issues.
See, a man agreed to what a woman says. You have to give him a big round of applause.
As you mentioned, I'm a married man, so I spent my life agreeing to what my woman says.
A bigger cheer and a bigger shot for that! No, it doesn't happen.
See, every guy has heard this at one point or the other, na? कि अच्छा ये पहन के जाओगे? So then you know what happens immediately. अच्छा इसको उतारो, सब कर दो. Go and open the cupboard. अच्छा, what do you like? This shirt? ये वाला T-shirt? नहीं, okay.
Interesting. See, women will win again.
Everyone has done this.
Absolutely. Kangana, आपकी styling, you have become a style icon, and आपके hair styles के बारे में बहुत चर्चा हुई थी इस फिल्म में.
Can you just, for the record, tell them how many hairstyle changes have you got in this film? Because I am confused. Every day should come to set with one new look. I was like, अच्छा ये भी है? पहले तो कैसे थे?
7.
You see why I was getting confused? One day it will be short, one day it's long, one day it's straight, one day it's curly.
3 haven't been exposed yet, but you'll see that in the film.
Alright, so we're going to have more of them, but then, you know, I think the audience has gone a little quiet. Can we just... This is a college fair! It's like, you know, you're behaving like I'm going to church and I'm not going to
Yeah, there's something about वहाँ पीछे के लोग हैं या चले गए?
है कि पीछे के लोग? Alright, so what we're going to have is, we're going to do this very interesting thing, Kangna Imran. We've got our very pretty lady.
Stay away. And it's like little, oh, just friends, that you're still puppy, please don't bother me with friends. It's like, well, aren't we just friends? Then you've got a chance. Simplify it more than that.
मेरे को कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है यार. Yes, you have to have pity on us, yeah. I'm telling you, we're very simple creatures.
So, tone matters more than words.
You know, between the yes and the no of a woman. So between the yes and no of a woman, there's always a but. Yes. Next, please.
Oh.
I give up. I rest my case. Oh, I grade this one.
I know this one. This one I also know.
It's fine.
It's fine. ये danger वाला है.
Yeah, would you elaborate?
हाँ, ये बहुत dangerous वाला है. This much even I know. Correct है ना? It's dangerous. If she says it's fine,
Yeah.
is it actually fine?
It's not.
What is the level of danger when a girl says it's fine?
It's fine that I'm gonna get you.
अच्छा मतलब
It's fine means I'm gonna get you.
means you have to run now.
Yeah. To save yourself.
Oh. चलो, let's try another one.
Can we go that side?
Anyone on this side?
This side?
ठीक है.
You have a future is as bright as mine.
It says you're not fat.
Gosh. तू गया बेटा? तेरी तो girlfriend होनी ही नहीं है अभी. याद रखना?
You chose that one or they gave it to you?
No, he was the chosen one.
He has to have chosen this. He's quickly trying to say, hey, मेरी जिम्मेदारी नहीं है. मैंने नहीं बोला है. यार, you're not fat means I want to live. That is the translation. मुझे अभी मरना नहीं है.
कंगना, आप क्या कहते हैं?
I think basically it's just a lack of intellectual words that they came across so lame. Like who uses words like you're not fat? Especially when you're, you know, see if you're like in your office, yes, things could be straightforward and in your face. But when you're romancing a woman, you're in a relationship. It should be poetic. It should be.
Poetry?
It should be layered. It should have layers. Your thoughts and your words to her should have layers that she could enjoy. So please use some grey matter, use some brain cells, and come up with better stuff. You don't just
You have
say,
layers or?
no, you're not just
Just have
fat.
one layer.
हाँ यार.
No, but
अब हम दोनों फेल हो रहे हैं स्टेज पे.
so मेरा तो कोई chance ही नहीं.
No,
मेरी तो शक्ल लेकिन
don't make it sound like women are these nagging creatures because that's not true. Women are all beautiful things in the world are because of women. So yeah, so don't take this tone that I want to live.
ये फिर से tone आ
I
गया.
want to die.
This tone thing, I have to understand this tone.
we have to do vocal training, sir. Because singing class and never understand.
I like the second one. That was the
Oh.
yes.
ठीक है.
One more? One of the boys?
Yours
That's
will
good
be like floppy, huh?
Can you scream out? Oh God, you're jacked. Finish. You leave this Audi right now. Leave Sophia's ka radius right now. You don't deserve to be here. Sorry, yeah, but honestly.
नहीं मतलब chance है. Maybe she is just a friend.
Don't
Listen, you protect me, these people.
She's just a friend, Kanna.
I
friend.
I think there's a chance that she's just a friend, yeah.
There is a possibility.
But you could have said her. Why did you say she's just a friend?
I don't.
Okay, if you're feeling that way about your guy friend, I would say, I don't care about him. He looks like a douchebag.
if that's the kind of film you're into, please check out Katti Batti.
Kangana.